Governor Hope Uzodinma is going to send 4,000 Imo State youth to work in Europe and Canada. Things are happening. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you never subscribe to this channel, I don't know what you wait for. And may you try go subscribe. Once you subscribe, beg don't forget to turn your notification bell so that anytime we will upload new video, will be the first person we're going to get our update back to back. Because what will they carry a legit update as they happen. Things are really happening. Let's go and look into the Ogbenge news where we get for hand though. They say the governor of Imo State don't promise Imo State youth. Say he go carry them go abroad. The thing shocked me. He said he go carry them go abroad. More than 4,000 Imo State youth will be working in abroad. Inside this matter, now our house gone there. I say, what you call happen? Wait, we say governor we suppose provide build companies, make sure that their youth that being graduate from university we can be able to start work in the company. So why the governor is promising the youth to send them outside of their state, their motherland, where they're supposed to enjoy their motherland and work and contribute to the economy of the state. But the answer here is that the Imo State youth are the problem of Imo State. Because for you people gathering here, clapping hand for this trash is talking, that means una self na mumu by una self. Do you know how many youth that have died in outside country from since this year, beginning of this year? So no justice for them because your government are not working. That Canada, that Europe, you are sending them to go and work. How many of their youth is coming to Imo State to work? This is the question. However, I want to play this video for now. I want to watch this video. I beg, no skip am. Watch am from beginning to end so that we'll come back and talk more concerning the video.
Please come nearer. You love you more. You love you more. Technology, opportunity. I want to thank you very sincerely from the depth of my heart, and to tell you I'm extremely delighted to have you with me this afternoon, and to commend you for the enterprise and spirit you have exhibited and their commitment to be an entrepreneur within the digital technology family. years ago, I made a promise that Imo youth must look different anywhere they are seen in the mall. And that promise, I'm working very hard to keep to it. Tomorrow, we'll be graduating 15,000 youths. Let me tell you something. I have gone further to negotiate with the European Union companies and Canadian companies. They are sending us special areas of digital skill, which our youth will also learn. And by December this year, 4,000 Imo youth will be employed in Europe. And once the employment letter comes, the governor will pay for your 80K. We must say bye-bye to poverty. We want you to be entrepreneurs. We want you to be gainfully employed. We want you to be breadwinners of your family. And if you do that, there will be prosperity in Imo State. I thank you for this wonderful man. I want to see today as a preliminary demonstration of what will happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is the empowerment day. Tomorrow is the day we must remember in history. Not only that we will be graduating another 15,000, we will be admitting another 40,000. So if our youths are strong and they are earning a living, it means Imo State is strong and the living is guaranteed. So I want you to be bold. I want you to be courageous. I want you to be proud to say that you are from Imo State. In our march to develop our state, to look like a modern economy state, we will do everything possible within our reach to encourage our youth population. If you are asked anywhere in the world who is the next of kin, tell them who Uzodinma is the next of kin. If you are asked who is the guarantor, tell them who Uzodinma is the guarantor. Imo will never be bad again. Imo will be known as a developed state. Any country that develops the youth population has developed itself. And with you, Canāda and concern. Don't be afraid of everything. Don't be afraid of anything. Go ye and make a living. God is with you. God will protect you. Evil men will not see you. Bad manners will not see you. Those who want to destroy Imo State will not succeed. Imo will be better in the name of Jesus. No.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video and here when this Hope Uzodinma or governor of Imo State are making empty promise to the youth, and these youth are the problem of Imo State. All of you people that gathered here are the problem of the state. You are giving him an award of killing your brothers, award of killing your siblings. This is award they are giving to Hope Uzodinma. Regarding this award, that Ohanaeze youth have come aside and condemned this award and said that the Imo State have become top 1 insecurity state in Southeast today. And the governor is there bombing people's residents and promising you people to send you outside, to send you an abroad. Why can't you use that money? Just calculate flight ticket of 4,000 people. Why can't you use that money and invest in 2 or 3 companies in the state so that the youth will get something doing? They want to send you people outside so that they will have opportunity to reap the state and put it in their own pocket and sell for their unborn children and born children as well. And you people are there jumping up, clapping your sticking hand. Nonsense. Imo State youth are the problem of Imo State. I have asked this question before. Why Europeans are not sending their youth to come and work in Imo State? Why are their youth, once they finish school, they will start work in their own city? Some time ago, I have a conversation with one lady. And I asked, do you know the nearest city to your city here? He said, no. What am I going there to do? That I school in my city, I grew up in my city, I'm working in my city, I marry in my city, so I don't need to know there. We are talking of Olu to Owerri. Olu to Owerri, they don't even know. Ask anybody, ask your brothers that live outside. Ask them, that white person that live closer with in city, do you know the name? Have you even traveled there before? He don't know. Then the governor who's supposed to beautify his state so that the youth will work and contribute to the economy of Imo State, and is here promising you people that is going to send you to abroad to study, to work. You are clapping your hand. How many universities in Imo State? Why can't they make the university top 1 university in Nigeria? I don't know. Sometimes people will come outside and we go to school. I'm a graduate. You go to school. You are a graduate in the club. Graduate in the night. Use your common sense and think you cannot think. Hello, my wonderful people. Please share this video. Share this video. Very, very important. Share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also follow our Facebook page, where we expose these fools that come to reap us. If it is Zanzu, that's it, they have come to reap me. See you in the next update.